everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. So we're doing this one question at a time. Here is question 26. Show why x minus 3 is a factor of m of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 3. Justify your answer. So to see if anything's a factor in this format, when we see a binomial like this, we know we're going to be using the remainder theorem. So based on this theorem, we can plug in 3 into this function here. So we chose 3 because based on our binomial, so we're going to use x of 3. So we have m of 3 equals 3 cubed minus 3 squared minus 5 times 3 minus 3. And if we get a 0, that means there's no remainder, and when m of x is divided by x minus 3, and that x minus 3 is a factor. So let's plug this in. So we have 27 minus 9 minus 15 minus 3. So if we plug this into our calculator, we're going to get 0. So that means that yes, x minus 3 is a factor of m of x equals x cubed minus x squared. Meaning there's no remainder when m of x is divided by x minus 3. Okay, on to question 27. Describe the transformation applied to the graph of p of x equals 2 to the x that forms when the new function q of x equals 2 to the x minus 3 plus 4. So what happens when we go from p of x equals 2 to the x goes to q of x equals 2 to the x minus 3 plus 4. So we really want to ask ourselves, like, let's identify the new numbers that happen here, and what are we doing to the x and y values. So notice we have plane 2 of x, 2 to the x here, and then now all of a sudden we're subtracting 3. So that will mean that we are going to be moving 3 units to the right based on this. So just to highlight where this comes from, it comes from right here, because we are subtracting 3 from all the x values, from each and every x value that goes through this function. That means we're going to be moving it 3 units to the right. It's always that those x values always do that opposite of what you might think they might do based on the formula. So now we notice that we're adding 4 to the entire equation. So if we're adding 4 to the entire equation, that's going to affect y, right? Because this really, q of x and p of x, they represent y. So if we're adding 4 into the entire thing, that means we're going to be moving up 4 units. Or 4 units up the y-axis. Yeah, so just to highlight where that comes from and underline it here. And that's our answer. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!